I've never followed the crowd.
Describe over the years some of the traditional rules of business that you've ignored.
I've never followed the crowd. When somebody gives me technical appraisal, everyone says we should all be buying buy-to-lets, we should all be into refugee homes. I mean, right now, the house rule in the real estate world is not to buy retail because all the shops are going to be empty, everyone's on the internet. I don't believe that for 1 second. The second most active event on a Saturday is going shopping after watching football. People won't stop shopping. It's what they do when they get to the high street. So the high street will turn into an experience: coffee, lunch, breakfast, bowling, cinema, lots of new things we don't even know about. I think presently that real estate's very cheap. So I've never followed the crowd. That's the key rule that I've not observed. And the other thing is, I don't like these formulas that say what you should buy and shouldn't buy. I don't like formulas about how much debt you should have and shouldn't have. So I use my instinct, and I don't like lots of debt. I like sensible debt.